I'm back, Debbie Starr here. If this is your first time, let me introduce myself. I help coaches and online creatives build and grow their business without a lot of the tech hassles and overwhelm. Today, I wanted to talk about 3 mistakes that rookies make when they're first getting into marketing and using funnels and all of that kind of things. So, the first mistake is not offering something of real value. The whole intent of a lead magnet is you offer something and you want people to come closer to you. If you're just offering fluff, guess what happens? It just goes in the pile of rubbish with all the other lead magnets, freebies, all that kind of stuff that people have gotten from you. So, you remember how grandma used to save her china, her good china, and she'd only bring it out 2 times a year? Don't do that. Give your best stuff. I'm not saying you have to teach the whole course, but don't be afraid to give your good stuff. Okay, so that's mistake number 1. Mistake number 2 is ignoring the power of your thank you page, that confirmation page. Someplace through all of these videos, I did a video talking about there is real power in that thank you page. So don't ignore it. That is like the best asset in your tool belt. And then the third mistake is, excuse me, not having a good nurturing sequence. Now I'm going to do other videos coming up talking about what you should be putting into these nurturing sequences. But basically, with a lead magnet, you're inviting somebody to a party. Hey, everybody, I'm having a party Friday night. Who wants to come? People sign up, and then what happens? Nothing. All right. So make sure that you have a compelling, nurturing sequence for these people coming in. And make sure you watch the other video, because it's not just the standard boring stuff that you see in all of these templates that people offer. The whole idea is you want to keep them excited, welcome them to the party, let them know they're in the right place, and there's a lot of good, juicy hors d'oeuvres coming their way, so to speak. So don't ignore that. So again, the 3 rookie mistakes that I see people making is not offering something of real value in your lead magnet, ignoring the power of your thank you page, and then no follow-up, no nurturing sequence. As always, if you find these tips helpful, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to find out more on how I help you grow and scale your business, I call it the 20K Code Program. Hit the link below. Can't wait to talk to you another day. Take care. Bye.